Step into the 2014 Ram 3500 HD chassis. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include air conditioning, variably intermittent wipers, fully automatic headlights, heated door mirrors, skid plates, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.